Hey there, kids. Gather around because I have a fascinating story to share with you today. Have you ever heard of the dodo bird? It's a bird that lived a long time ago, and its story has a very important lesson for all of us, no? Well, let me tell you an amazing story about this funny-looking bird and what happened to it. It's a tale that will make you think about how we treat the world around us. Once upon a time, on a beautiful island called Mauritius, there lived a bird named the dodo. This island was like a paradise, full of lush greenery and vibrant wildlife. The dodo was a bit chubby, with tiny wings that couldn't fly. It had a large beak and a friendly face, making it look quite unique and charming. But it was happy, living in a paradise with lots of fruits and no predators to worry about. The dodo birds enjoyed their peaceful lives, eating fruits and wandering around the island without a care in the world. But then something changed. One day, sailors from faraway lands arrived on the island. They came on big ships, looking for new places to explore and new adventures to embark on. They were exploring new places and discovering new things. The island of Mauritius was a new and exciting place for them, full of wonders they had never seen before. Unfortunately, they discovered the dodo bird too. The sailors were amazed by this strange bird that they had never seen before. The sailors were surprised by how the dodo wasn't scared of them. Unlike other birds, the dodo didn't fly away or hide. It just stood there, curious and unafraid. The dodo was so friendly and curious. It would walk right up to the sailors, not knowing that these new visitors could be dangerous. But this friendliness turned out to be a big problem. The dodo's lack of fear made it easy for the sailors to catch them. You see, the sailors brought other animals with them, like dogs, pigs, and rats. These animals were not native to the island and caused a lot of trouble. These animals loved to eat dodo eggs, which were laid right on the ground. The dodo birds had never had to protect their eggs before, so they didn't know what to do. The dodos had no idea how to protect their babies. They were confused and distressed, not understanding why their eggs were disappearing. Soon, the island wasn't safe for the dodos anymore. The new animals were causing havoc, and the dodos were struggling to survive. The sailors kept hunting them for food, and their animal friends kept eating the dodo eggs. The dodos were caught in a situation they couldn't escape from. Sadly, the dodo birds couldn't survive all these new dangers. Their numbers dwindled until there were none left. And one day, there were no more dodos left. The once vibrant and lively dodo bird was now extinct, a sad reminder of how fragile life can be. So what's the moral of this story? What can we learn from the dodo bird's fate? The dodo bird's story teaches us to be kind and respectful to all living creatures. Every animal, no matter how small or big, plays an important role in our world. Sometimes we don't realize how our actions can hurt the world around us. Our choices can have big impacts, even if we don't see them right away. Just like the sailors didn't know they were causing harm by bringing new animals to the island. They didn't understand the consequences of their actions. We should always think about how our actions affect others, whether it's animals, plants, or other people. By being mindful, we can make better choices that help protect our planet. If we're thoughtful and caring, we can make sure that every living thing has a safe and happy place to live. We can create a world where all creatures can thrive. So the next time you see a picture of a dodo bird, remember this story. Think about the importance of kindness and respect for all living things. Let's be kind, let's be thoughtful, and let's make the world a better place for everyone. Thanks for listening, kids. Remember, every small action counts. See you next time with another fun and exciting story. Bye-bye. Take care and always be kind to nature.